No, the title isn't clickbait. I'm actually trying to combine my 3 favorite genres into one project. But first, who then am I? Hey, I'm the Ducks Dev, a 16-year-old game developer with 6 years of experience underneath my belt. I've been building this project for 2 years now, and for some reason, only now have I just decided to deserve a proper devlog. So what is this mystery game I've been kicking up, and what genres have I combined into it? The project is called Pull-Ups Enter the Void, and it blends the depth of RPGs like Warframe, Destiny, and Dark Souls with the chaos and replayability of roguelikes like Risk of Rain, Muck, and Skull the Hero Slayer, with the fast, stylish movie shooter action you see in other games such as Titanfall 2, Cube, and Ultrakill. So what's the story? You play as a hunter, a being crafted by a higher power, and sent out to cleanse corrupted dimensions infested by an entity known as the Void Den. But of course, the higher power that created you isn't really telling the truth, and uncovering the secrets and truth behind them becomes just as important as finding the infection. Alright, enough about the story. Let's talk about the movement. In this game, you'll get all the classic movie shooter mechanics, including sliding, double jumping, wall running, dashing, grappling. But I didn't want to stop there. I pulled in some ideas from Grimhook, a game that you might not even know, and Ultrakill, like the propel mechanic and the slam, and integrated those into my player controller. My main goal was to make the movement feel just right, with a real sense of momentum. Instead of relying on Unity's rigid body, I decided to build my physics from scratch. Everything from the gravity to the speed system was hand-coded. It's all about giving the player full control and making the movement feel natural and fluid to use. But I didn't want to just stop at perfecting the movement. I wanted to tie into the roguelike progression systems. So instead of the usual boring stat grades you're used to, we focused on action-based boosts. For example, one upgrade gives you a slight damage boost when jumping. On its own, it's not really much, but when you stack it with some bunny hops, it really starts to add up. The same goes for things such as enchantments and affixes, designed to encourage the player to use the movement in creative ways. It's not about luck, it's about using your skill and using your abilities to their full potential, making each run feel unique. Since I didn't want a full-on lose everything forever roguelike, I built a hub world called the Cathedral. This is your safe zone, your home base. It's where you build your loadouts, unlock meta progression, mess with the ring system, and upgrade through the Book of Maverick, which is basically my own version of the Hades mirror, and activate higher tier modifiers if you want extra challenge. The cool part about having a hub like this is that I can give the players way more powerful gear without breaking the game, and I can crank up the enemy difficulty without feeling bad about it, which is a win-win in my opinion. Now, the way you actually get into the action is something called the World Portal. Levels are called sectors, and each sector is its own run. You're not climbing floors, instead you're diving deeper into the infection, playing it out bit by bit. And yes, each sector is fully replayable. Think of it like your own little Warframe style star chart, with my own little twist to it. But none of this matters if the combat feels bad. So that's where I put most of my time. I built a system I haven't really seen anywhere else. You have 2 attacks, your melee and your ranged, and using one reshields the other. If you're feeling aggressive, just get close up and slash. You're gonna play it safe, plus enemies from across the room. It keeps the flow super fast and super fun. There's a whole lot more to it, like a style meter, your abilities, and some wild enemy types. That's for another video, so stick around. And that's everything for now. I'm honestly really proud of how the game has come so far, and my Discord has been really giving me some crazy good feedback. If you want to be part of this development journey, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side. Ducks Dev out.